Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2653, specifically concerning the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, which has been flagged for a low voltage condition in the Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. The DTC indicates that the system has detected an issue with the operation of the rocker arm oil control solenoid, which is crucial for managing variable valve timing. The system operates under the control of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which monitors various parameters to ensure optimal engine efficiency and performance. When there's a discrepancy between the expected signal and the actual condition of the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, the PCM registers a fault and stores the DTC. This presentation will guide you through understanding the components involved, their specific locations, potential causes for the fault, and step-by-step troubleshooting measures. The error pertains specifically to the rocker arm oil control solenoid, which is integrated with the rocker arm oil control valve. This solenoid plays a pivotal role in adjusting valve timing, enhancing the engine's performance and efficiency. Located on the engine head, it directly connects to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is responsible for sending and receiving signals from various engine components to ensure everything operates smoothly. When the PCM detects that the return signal from the rocker arm oil control solenoid is off while it outputs an on signal, it triggers the fault indicator by storing DTC P2653. The diagnostic process primarily revolves around inspecting this specific solenoid, its connectors, and associated circuits to identify any malfunctions that prevent proper operation. Several issues may cause DTC P2653. Firstly, a faulty rocker arm oil control solenoid itself could be defective, preventing the proper oil control and signaling to the PCM. Secondly, wiring issues, which can include short circuits or breaks in the wiring leading to or from the solenoid, can result in a low voltage condition being reported. Lastly, there could be a malfunction within the PCM. If the PCM is not functioning properly, it may fail to output the necessary signals or misinterpret the feedback from the rocker arm oil control solenoid. Each of these potential causes must be carefully inspected and ruled out to pinpoint the source of the problem accurately. When DTC P2653 is triggered, drivers may notice a variety of symptoms. The most immediate indicator is often the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. This warning light signals that the engine management system has identified a fault that requires attention. Additionally, there may be noticeable engine performance issues, including reduced power during acceleration or irregular engine behavior, which could manifest as rough idling or stalling. Furthermore, drivers may experience increased fuel consumption due to inefficient valve timing, leading the engine to consume more fuel than necessary. These symptoms collectively indicate that the issue with the rocker arm oil control solenoid may need urgent consideration to restore optimal vehicle performance. Begin troubleshooting by starting the engine to confirm the DTC presence under operational conditions. It's essential to check if the check engine light is illuminated and understand the current status of the rocker arm oil control solenoid system. The Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be employed to access detailed diagnostic information. Use the HDS to verify that DTC P2653 is the current code stored and review any additional codes that might be present. This will provide a more comprehensive overview of the vehicle's condition, helping to focus the troubleshooting efforts on the most relevant components indicated by the faults in the system. Proceed by inspecting the rocker arm oil control solenoid directly. disconnect the solenoid's 2P connector to allow for a thorough examination. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance of the solenoid's internal circuit. Under normal conditions, this reading should fall between 13.9 to 16.9 ohms at room temperature. If the resistance deviates from this range, it indicates a potential fault with the rocker arm oil control solenoid itself, necessitating its replacement. Additionally, check for voltage at the connector while the engine is running to ensure the solenoid is receiving the proper power. A lack of voltage or abnormal resistance readings suggests that further investigation into the solenoid's condition is necessary. Next, the focus shifts to the wiring associated with the VTS2 signal. Before disconnecting the PCM connector, it's essential to jump the SCS line using the HDS diagnostic tool and wait for over 1 minute. This process helps ensure any residual voltage is safely discharged. Carefully inspect the wiring leading to the VTS2 terminal for any signs of shorts to ground or breaks. If any abnormalities are detected, these should be addressed to restore the proper circuit conditions. After inspecting the wiring, reconnect the PCM connectors and retest the system to confirm whether the issue has been resolved or if further troubleshooting is required based on observed results. If the previous inspections and tests indicate normal conditions, the next step is to assess the PCM. The powertrain control module is crucial in processing signals and controlling various engine functions. By comparing the results of the earlier diagnostics against the expected behavior, it can be determined if the PCM itself is faulty. To confirm this, further checks to validate the integrity of the PCM circuits and logic are essential. Only after confirming that no external issues exist can the PCM be deemed the cause of the DTC P2653, after which repair or replacement may be necessary if it's found to be malfunctioning. Once repairs or replacements have been completed, the final verification process begins. Clear any diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM using the HDS diagnostic tool to reset the system's memory. Follow this by conducting a road test of the vehicle to monitor its performance under actual driving conditions. During the drive, pay close attention to any symptoms that might indicate ongoing issues, such as the check engine light illuminating again. After the road test, check the diagnostic system for any reoccurrence of DTC P2653. If the problem does not return and the system operates normally, the repair can be confirmed as successful. To prevent issues like DTC P2653 from arising in the future, regular diagnostic checks are highly recommended. Utilizing the HDS diagnostic tool to assess the rocker arm oil control solenoid and associated circuits regularly helps catch issues early. Additionally, periodic wiring inspections can help prevent shorts and ensure that all connections remain intact. Keeping oil levels within specified ranges also plays a critical role in maintaining the efficiency of the rocker arm oil control solenoid, as oil quality directly affects its performance. By implementing these preventive maintenance practices, vehicle owners can reduce the risk of encountering similar DTCs in the future and extend the lifespan of key engine components. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2653 related to the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. Following a systematic approach through the diagnosis of the solenoid, wiring, and PCM helps in identifying and resolving the low voltage issue efficiently. Acknowledge the symptoms that come with this DTC to ensure timely repairs. Regular maintenance practices can go a long way in avoiding such diagnostic trouble codes in the future. By staying informed and proactive, vehicle owners will enhance their Honda Civic's performance and reliability, ensuring a smoother driving experience. please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.